A very good morning to all of you, dear students. Welcome in EVS class. I, Jaya Kumari, am going to take your EVS. Dear students, in previous class, you have already studied about different types of houses we live in. Now we will study about our neighborhood. Students, do you know about neighborhood? You must have heard about neighborhood. Houses close to each other make a neighborhood. Houses close to each other make a neighborhood. People living in a neighborhood need some services like school, hospital, market, etc. These places provide us with important facilities. Let us study about some of these places. Dear students, in every day we need some services like school, hospital, market, etc. These places provide us with some important facilities. That is, just you look here. This is a post office. Have you seen a letter box in your neighborhood? The letter box is red in color. We post letters in letter box. The postman collects the letter from letter box and takes them to the post office. At the post office, letters are sorted out and sent to different places. The post office provides us with other services also. We can buy stamps, postcards, inland letters, etc. The post office provides us with other services also. We can buy stamps, postcards, inland letters, etc. from the post office. Post office offers many money saving schemes. We can also send parcels and money orders from the post office. Dear students, you visit a nearby post office, find out the cost of the following things and write them below. In these days, you are not allowed to go anywhere, but according to book, you have to go to your nearby post office. Whenever you go to your nearby post office, you find out the cost of the following things and write them below. A postcard. The cost of a postcard. An envelope. The cost of an envelope. An inland letter. A stamp. Dear students, stamps of different denominations and stamps of different countries. Here are some more. The post office is very important services provides in our neighborhood. Now, school. All of you go to school every day. Why do you go to school? Everybody knows. There is one or more than one school in most of location. In most of the location, children of these localities go to study there. Children studying there spend less time in traveling to school. That is why people like to send their children in the neighborhood school. Name the school where you study. You will write your school name here. I study in Dr. G.L. Datta DAV Public School. You will write. Student, post office. You came to know about the post office. The post office is very important for us, and then school is also very important in our locality. Now we will study about bank. You must have seen bank. People keep their money in the bank. They take out the money when they need it. These days, ATM is the fastest method to withdraw money. People also keep their precious things in the bank lockers. Students, is there any bank near your house? Yes or no? If yes, write the name of the bank. Now, hospital. A hospital is must in every neighborhood. We go to the hospital when we are sick. There are doctors and nurses in the hospital. The doctors examines the patient and give medicines. The nurses look after the patients. Till now you have studied about post office, school, bank and hospital. Now about police station. The police protect us from thieves and robbers. They help us when we are in trouble. They work day and night for our safety. The traffic police controls the traffic on the road. Student, police protect us from thieves and robbers. They help us when we are in trouble. They work day and night for our safety. The traffic police controls the traffic on the road. Student, do you know how the police solves our problems? They catch the thieves. They controls the police, traffics. They control the violence, everything. Only because of police we are safe. It is very important to be police station in our neighborhood. Now, market. Every neighborhood has a market. The most important thing. A market has different shops. We can buy fruits, vegetables, books, grocery, etc. from the market. We buy different things from the market, from different shops. Sweets, fruits and vegetables, stationery, departmental stores. These are the shops of the market. Students, this way we have studied a lot about our neighborhood. Like we have started with post office, then school, after that bank, hospital, police station and market. These all are very important in our neighborhood. Student, you watch it carefully and try to get it. Thank you. Thank you everybody. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.